So hi, hello everyone, welcome back to a Research Craft Professional, where we can learn ethical skills and new technique haircuts, and it's always coming up to the new things are upgrading with and updating with each and every single points on the haircuts. So today we're going to be learn back again one of your favorite subject, which is called the butterfly layer haircut. In that haircut we're going to be something changed to seeing on this in these techniques of for the model section, and client had with a long hair and something thin hair texture, and she wants something with different concept on the haircut. So that's the regards, we just choose with as it is at different sections and multiple ways as to the haircut. The top ground fringe section got separated, and just top more like box section got separated, and ear to ear we're separating back portion also. I'm just going to be show you that before start to the haircut, each and every sections it will be going just representing in front of you with the help up to the comb, like a presentation. You can just see the comb up to the presentation is one of the hope you all of the previous videos also got liked very much, and also it will be this video also one of them going to be reach very one of the favorite haircut. Started to the one length basic converts, and I personally feel this is the last haircut every time I feel, because I'm trying to be giving my best technically in skills, also just haircut skills also. I'm trying to be keeping myself on the best of abilities of each and every haircut. Will be update for more things and all. So now one line basic is done, and now just pick to the center profile, and directly from the center profile exactly lift up to 125 degree, and rest of the hair going to be add the layers. So in this butterfly it's something different. The previous videos are you can just see something exactly picks up 180 degree, but in this haircuts and something I'm just going to be save more length on the bottoms and top of that recreating to the layers. Why? Because my client got required, she don't want to be thickness to be reduced apart from layers also. Apart from length and layers and each and everything should be covered up in that. She is the concept which can be she demanded for that kind of content, and which can be looks thicker and a neat look, and the professionally also suited, and a lot more things in this insisted in this video. Finally it will be one side section, it will going to be finished, and it's another side section it will going to be start very soon as possible. And just exactly diagonal forward, just slightly I'm picking up and just adding more layers on the top. Now I'm just cross checking with the one of the side section. I will come to another side, and the same stationary guideline I just took and just following the same. After the haircut I'm just cross checking. Now I come to the side portion. Before give a layers I'm just one length haircut in the bottom. So watch till the end video, you'll just have to see something bonus tips on these videos, and each and every videos I used to willing to give all of you with the representations after the bonus tips each and every time. And this time to be same things I'm just implementing. And please let me know comments below the previous video and the present videos. How would you feel? What we got improved on the videos, and what and all to need to improve on the video. Please let me know comments below. In this video I'm just at least expecting minimum 500 likes. I hope so you'll be hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. New to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I'm just always bringing up to the new upgraded videos and new ethical skills videos for each and every time with a different techniques, and I hope so it's never getting disappointed all of you. And also it will be, I'm just myself, I'm inspiring with such a videos to be uploading and just reflecting myself onto the inspire on like lightning speed basis, and just moving forward towards the haircut status and all, and the professional basis, and each and every day just making it strong on myself with the haircut videos. And this is why I'm just motivating to be myself and all of you. This very simple concept when we are doing the work. So all the sides got finished. Very tiny bit guideline I picked from the crown portion. Rest of the hair I'm just clutching. Now I release the crown portion. So here is the prettiest interesting part with just very tiny guideline we just pick, and entirely we just will follow up the top crown portion after the giving to adding the layers. So that is something, it's a greatest challenge. It's called like it will be pro techniques of haircut skills. I'm just slightly diagonal power, just pushing down with the power towards. Why? Because I want to add more layers compared to the bottoms, and just also apart from that intentionally you need to save the length as well. And just a little bit over direction also will be available in this video, because center of the crown I'm just pushing every hair, so all hair, and just adding the layer. Now I come to another side. Please let me know comments below. Now I'm releasing to the fringes section. I'm just slightly sliding down with all the hair. Why? Because the previously she got the fringes, and just the same thing I'm just reconnecting, and rest of the back hair just cross checking, rest of the hair I just blending it. So overall my cut is finished, and now I'm releasing all hair. I'm just, before giving a blow dry, I'm just showing her to the messy hair completely. So before that I'm just shaking with completely naturally all the layers, and just doing the tail also, just pushing in front of the forward. Now I'm just doing the blow dry, and messy blow dry is one of the best techniques to be show and just visibility of purpose, and this messy layers it can be look so neat and clean as well. It's look like similarly the 50% styling was done with messy blow dry within it. So in these techniques we just figure it out with all the haircut, like completely layers can be come out very well, and the shape also visible very neat and clean, and client also can see complete up to the look, the before after transformations, and they never feel like talk to the blow drying. This is always one of my favorite techniques to be give every haircuts to be give with a spiral blow dry, and which can be consistently with the give layers to be flipping in and out of the shape, and all the times it will be carry forward the flexible styling, and it will lasting more also compared to any other styles. Tongs and that ironing curls also it will be last more than this. Why? Because the tightening curls, however we choose the styling, so depends on all of this things and all. For very soon I'm just bringing on launching with a styling product which is called Sebastian or else Vella. Some other brands are just blow dry products I'm just going to be launched very soon. Please suggest me if you have any of styling products for before doing the blow dry for a best shape up to the come out all the layers visibilities. which is the best product, please comments below. I'll definitely prefer for that to do in the for the future. And I'm just looking forward to be layers can be visible, more flexible and neat and clean as well. I'm just putting more effort for that. For end finishing, how did you feel? Please let me know comments below. And that also I want to be conducted with a lot of feedback, and after that I want to work towards to the more and more, and each and every haircuts to be changing to the techniques, and just blow dry techniques and styling things, and lot more things I need to be add and change. So hopefully in the previous videos and these videos is never made disappointed all of you. And also I hope you all are enjoying the video. Please, if you really like the video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, and for more updated video please hit the bell icon. But don't forget to be share with your friends. That can be more and helpful for me. And also I'll bring with a lot of videos like such things of good contents. And also in shortest videos also I'm trying to be covering up to the initial days. Why? Because the shortest videos can be the shortcut ways that the people can understand in cutting techniques and the styling parts, each and everything. I'm just trying to be these three categories and just distributing with like short videos. So almost my styling part is got finished, only the crown portion is left, and as soon as finish possible we just winding up. Now after that we just add to the texture as well, and after the finish the haircut, and that should be going to be final finishing and just representing on the complete after the cut. So that is complete after the similarly the butterfly haircut videos. And please let me know comments below how would you feel my haircut techniques on the butterflies. And this is my final look. You can just see from the back, and see you can just flexible layer, shiny, each and everything is clipping out of the layers. You can just see lot more bounciness on the hair. Now we just bring it to forward and just showing on in front of the representation again. So now finally we come to the front portions. You can just see awesome the movement which can becomes very clean and neat and bouncier look and thickening look. You can just see and how flexibly following down, and the flowness also is very good and neat as. I hope you guys all are enjoyed the video, and please if you like the video please hit the like button, share with your friends, and one more thing, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And after the haircut finish we finally come back to the texturing. Texturing is one of the most important significant role where can be performed, which can be neat to long last more layers, and it looks so neat and clean finishing. And rest of the bottom disconnected part I'm just connecting by the slicing technique, and the fringe part I'm just giving to the texture more. Just small section I'm just picking up and just adding the texture. So the long lengthy hair texture and haircut techniques, it will be, or some people feel like it's a tough challenge, and they feel difficult to do cut the hairs, and very difficult to define the guidelines. One thing I want to tell you all of you with beginners, or one thing I want to tell the beginners or freshers guys, once you just sectioning and elevating and gripping, one thing if you learn very clearly, cut is nothing else in front of you. Even up to waist length hair also you can just do a haircut very confidently for sure. One thing I want to be recommend all of you, do the proper sectioning and angling and elevating. All the things will become within under you. That should be sure is makes rock to the haircut. Any haircut comes. See one more time, just representing to the after texture. I'm just layering, just pushing forward. The front look you can just see and clean and just flexible finishing over all the sides. So this is my final look, which can be give a more good presentations and a lot more shininess and just volume on the hair and flexibility on the hair. All the things you can just see, all the things is covered in one video. This is the final look and this is the final presentation. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We'll meet up to the next video. Until, take care and be safe.